Welcome, welcome friends, welcome to my channel APS. So this is the first episode of Irodov Solution by APS. So today we will take only one question, that is of kinematics chapter, that is problem number 1.19. So let us see the problem, what it says. You can see the question here. A point traversed half of a circle of radius r equals 160 centimeter during time interval tau equals 10 second. Okay, a point traversed half of a circle of radius r equals 160 centimeter during the time interval tau equals 10 second. Calculate the following quantities average over that time. Okay, so first you have to calculate, the first part says the mean velocity. The mean velocity means the average speed. We have to calculate the average speed. And the second question, and the second part says the modulus of mean velocity vector. The modulus of mean velocity in the sense that we have to calculate average velocity. We have to calculate average velocity. And the third part says the modulus of mean vector of the total acceleration if the point moves with constant tangent acceleration. Means we have to calculate average acceleration. So that's it, the question says. So let us see the question. How can we solve this question with a simple approach? So watch this video fully, it's too interesting. We discussed the question and now let us take the solution of the question with the simplest approach. So the first part of the question says calculate the average speed. Calculate the average speed if from this point to this point it moves like a semicircular, it travels a semicircular path of radius r. It travels a semicircular path of radius r. Okay, so the value of r is given as 160 centimeter and the tau, that is time, we can write all like this, time equals 10.0 second. Okay, so these two information is given to us. Now let us solve this question. Okay, so from what is the displacement if a point moves from here to here? The displacement will be 2r. Okay, and what is the distance? Means what it follows some path. Okay, so the distance, value of distance will be, if it follows a full circle, then what is the value? 2 pi r. Okay, but it half semicircular, so value is pi r. From here to here it follows a path, the value is pi r. Okay, so the very first part of the question, it says that calculate the average speed. For average speed, total distance by time. So total distance is pi r by t. The value of pi is 3.14 into r is 160 by 10. This gives cancel, so 50 centimeter per second. The first part of the answer of the first part. And the second part, calculate the average velocity. For average velocity, what is the formula of average velocity? Average velocity is displacement by time. Displacement is 2r by t. 2 into the value of r is 160 by 10. This cancel out, 32 centimeter per second. Okay, and the third part of the question, calculate the average acceleration. Okay, calculate the average acceleration. So for this, we know, not directly we write like this, we know the formula s equals half v plus u t. V plus ut, this is the u and this is v. Okay, we know this is v and this is u. It moves with velocity like this, and it moves initial velocity, and this is the final velocity. So s equals half v plus u. So what is the value of v plus u? V plus u is 2s by t. Simply we solve this and we get 2s by t. Now equation 1. Now what is the average acceleration? What is the average acceleration? Change in velocity by time. Change in velocity by time. So delta v is v plus u by t. Okay, v plus u by t. So the value of v plus u by t, that is 2s by t by t. So it comes out that 2s by t square. Right, 2s by t square. 2s by t square. Now what is s? S is pi r. This distance, pi r. So 2 into pi r by t square. Now see, 2 into pi r by t square, we have already calculated the value of pi r by t. Okay, pi r by t, we have already calculated the value of pi r by t is 50 centimeter per second. So we can write 2 into pi r by t like this. Okay, now we are solving this here. Okay, 2 into pi r by t, so 2 into, what is the value of pi r by t, is 50. So 2 into 50 by 10, this and this cancel out, so the value comes out to be 10 centimeter per second square. And we have done. Thank you for watching the video. If you really like the video, then please do hit like, share and subscribe this video, and subscribe this channel too.